Hello my dear students, welcome to the multimedia class today. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Shima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher, Balijuri FM High School, Madarganj, Jamalpur. Now I am going to discuss with you about the transformation of degree. Learning outcomes. My dear students, at the end of the lesson you will be able to define the degree, classify the degree, identify the main features, recognize the extended feature, compare among all, very few and between two, apply in our real life. Definition of degree. Degree is the comparison of adjective among all or very few or between two person or things. There are three kinds of degree. There are three kinds of degree here. These are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. If there is as or so dot as in any sentence, then the sentence is positive degree. If there is then in any sentence, then the sentence is comparative degree. If the word the precedes the superlative word in the sentence, the superlative degree can be recognized. Dear students, there are three types of degree given here. I am reading some words from among them. You listen carefully and then write in the notebook. Good, better, best, young, younger, youngest, bad, worse, worst, tall, taller, tallest, large, larger, largest, small, smaller, smallest, thin, thinner, thinnest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. We can see three types from of degree here. The words most beautiful means superlative degree and more beautiful means comparative degree and beautiful means positive degree. In the same way, tallest, taller, tall and prettiest, prettier, pretty. Comparison among all extended feature, superlative one of without, comparative any other, positive no other. Here we can see the word the before superlative degree, most beautiful, tallest, most beautiful, tallest and prettiest. For example, it is the most beautiful scenery in the field. Usha Kiran is the tallest building in the city. My car is the prettiest of all other cars. Convert to the comparative degree from superlative degrees. We notice first example, it is more beautiful than any other scenery in the field. Usha Kiran is taller than any other building in the city. My car is prettier than any other car or all other cars. It is more beautiful It is more beautiful than any other scenery in the field. Here structure will be structure. The structure of the given sentence plus verb plus comparative form of superlative degree plus than any other plus the rest of the given sentence. Convert to the positive degree from comparative degree. For example, no other scenery in the field is so beautiful as it. No other building in the city is so tall as Usha Kiran. No other car is so pretty as my car. The structure will be no other plus the next part of than any other plus verb plus so plus the positive form of comparative degree plus the subject of the given sentence. Comparison among very few extended features, superlative one of, comparative most other, positive very few. Example, among very few, superlative among very few. Kazi Nazrul Islam is one of the best poets in the world. Salam is one of the oldest men in our village. Shaun is one of the youngest boys of his class. If the superlative degree is one of the, then the comparative degree is than most other. Convert to the superlative degree from comparative degree. Examples, Kazi Nazrul Islam is better than most other poet in the world. Such as Salam is older than most other men in our village. For example, Shaun is younger than most other boys of his class. Here structure will be the subject of the given sentence. The subject of the given sentence plus verb plus the word one of the goes up plus comparative form of superlative degree, comparative form of superlative degree plus the subject of the given sentence. For example, convert to positive from comparative degree. Very few poets in the world are as good as Kazi Nazrul Islam. Such as very few men in our village are as old as Salam. Very few boys of his class are as young as Shaun. Structure will be very few plus the next part of most other or few other plus verb plural plus as plus adjective one plus as plus the subject of the given sentence. The subject of the given sentence. Comparative degree to positive degree. Rules for converting comparative degree to positive degree. For example, Rani is smaller than Polly. Rani is smaller than Polly. Hari was not more handsome than Bari. Rani is smaller than Polly. Positive degree. Polly is not so small as Rani. Hari was not more handsome than Bari. Positive degree. Bari was as handsome as Hari. Positive degree structure will be the next part of the then of the given sentence sits first, plus verb plus not. If the original sentence is affirmative, plus so plus positive form of comparative degree plus as plus the subject of the given sentence. Next example, Bari was as handsome as Hari. Structure will be the next part of the then of the given sentence sits first, plus verb plus as. If the original sentence is negative, not goes up, plus so or as plus positive form of comparative degree, plus as plus the subject of the given sentence. Now evaluation. At this stage, I am putting 5 sentences in front of you. Number 1. Chittagong is one of the largest cities in Bangladesh. Number 2. Sajjad is taller than any other boy in the college. Number 3. Jamil is wiser than Hassan. Number 4. Maradona is the best footballer we have ever seen. Number 5. Mr. Rahman is the noblest of all men. Dear student, please try to answer them. Can I help you answer the questions? Okay. I am writing the answers. Please notice carefully. Positive degree. Very few cities in Bangladesh are so large as Chittagong. Number 2. Positive degree. No other boy in the class is so or as tall as Sajjad. Number 3. Positive degree. Hassan is not so wise as Jamil. Number 4. Comparative degree. Maradona is better than any other footballer we have ever seen. Number 5. Comparative degree. Mr. Rahman is nobler than all other men. Homework for you. Here are some sentences. Please write down in your notebook. Okay. Joy. Homework. Joy is the prettiest member of his family. Make it comparative and positive degree. Mitu is one of the tallest girls. Make it comparative and positive degree. He is as short as she. Make it comparative degree. No other city is so big as it. Make it superlative and comparative degree. Very few scholars of the world are as intelligent as he. Make it superlative and comparative. Dear students, during the corona period, the health rules given by the government must be followed. Good luck to everyone. Thank you.